Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a tutorial on how you can get these nice lavender nails. I guess they're more purple. I guess they're like lavender purple, but they're super adorable, super cute. And this was a requested video by one of my subscribers here on YouTube. So Stephanie Martinez, shout out to you, girl. Thank you for suggesting this video. I hope you enjoy it. And for those of you watching, if you guys want to learn how to get these awesome purple nails, then let's get started. By the way, if you guys are digging this makeup look, I also have a tutorial on this makeup look. It was also a requested video. So if you guys want to check that out, the link is down below. All right, let's get this show on the road. Over here, you guys can see that my thumbnail has a little bit of a broken piece, and I'm just going to fix that. You guys can definitely do this little technique at home. Anytime I don't have time to go to the nail salon or fix my nails and my nails have grown out, but one or two of them have broken, I fix it and then I do my nails at home. The way I fix it is I just get a nail file, I file it down so it's smooth, and then I go in and I buff it out so there's no harsh little edges that are sticking up and pokey. I just make sure it's all even, and then I go in with my IBD nail adhesive. This is the nail adhesive that I use for my press-on nails, and it works amazing for repairing your nails as well. So I go ahead and apply this adhesive on the broken area only, and then I fan it dry and I apply my nail polish, and that's it. You have a fixed nail. Over here, you guys can see that my nails are not all the same size, and I try to keep it the same shape. I try to keep it the same size, but things happen and it's totally fine. So we're going to work with this. I'm going to be using the SC Playdate nail polish. I'm also going to be using the OPI top coat. This is some nail art that I picked up from Amazon way back when, and I'm also going to be using tweezers to strategically apply the nail art on top of my nail. So over here you guys can see me applying the nail polish on my nail bed. A little tip for those of you guys who are beginners and your hands get shaky, all that jazz, I've been there and I know how it feels. So what helps me apply nail polish the most perfect way is by resting the hand that I'm applying nail polish with on something. Like right here, I'm resting my hand on the table as I'm applying, so that way I have a little bit more control and my hand's not shaky. That helps me, and it has changed my nail polish application game like crazy. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this SC Playdate nail polish. It's a little transparent for me, so that's why I do 2 coats. If you guys like 1 coat, you guys can do that, but I just like how 2 coats looks. It looks a lot more finished, and the color looks a lot more solid as well. As I mentioned previously, this nail art was purchased from Amazon. I purchased it way back when. I'm talking like 3-4 years ago, and I don't know if it's still online or whatnot, but I'm just taking out the purple hearts and I'm kind of separating it so it's easy for me to pick it up with the tweezer and they're not like clumped together. So make sure you separate any type of nail art that you're using. And I'm going to be applying this with the tweezer, and I'm using the top coat as an adhesive to the nail art that I'm applying on top. So it's really easy for me. You don't have to dip it in glue or dip it in something else. I just use the top coat as a glue. As you guys saw, I put a layer of top coat and then I put my heart on, and it stuck on perfectly. Super easy. So I don't know if you guys can tell from this angle, but the heart started lifting, and that was a little problem for me. So I went ahead and finished off my other hand. They look so cute. Yeah, I finished off the other hand, and then I was like, okay, let's go ahead and put a top coat on top of the heart to see if it'll go down. It didn't. So I got my tweezers. I got the pointy side of the tweezers, and I pierced down at both of the top of the heart, like, you know, where it's a heart shape. Right there, I went ahead and took the pointed side of the tweezers and I pressed down on those. any part of the nail art that was sticking up, I just pressed it down with the tweezers, fanned it dry, and if it would get up again, I would just get the top coat again, layer it over, and press it down with the tweezers. I just kept doing that to all my nails until the heart was laying flat, because we don't want it to be sticking up, or else it's going to get caught on everything and your heart is just going to fly off. Once those hearts are down, you've got yourself some beautiful purple nails. These nails took me about an hour to do, so if you have time to kill and want to recreate it, snap me a shot. I have my socials down in the description bar or in the beginning of this video. I hope you guys are staying safe. I love you, and until next time, bye!